Okay, today we're going to talk just very briefly about stretching out your web space, okay? Web space is the area in here between your thumb and your first finger, okay? And that's your web space. Here's it. The third step involves stretching the web space. There are two reasons for this. The first is because there are many small thumb muscles in this specific area that become irritable, and stretching helps irritable muscles. Second reason is that this is an area that frequently starts to become tight over time for various reasons, which can eventually interfere with how well your thumb moves around. So this is especially if you have like any kind of arthritis in your thumb, base of the thumb arthritis, what they call CMC joint arthritis or carpometacarpal joint arthritis. Over time, these muscles can get really tight because of the changes that take place because of the arthritis. Now, in order to get and keep this area in shape, I'm going to show you a very specialized stretching technique called contract relax. Compared to regular static stretching, where you simply hold a position for a brief period of few seconds, research shows that the contract relax for a period of seconds, research shows that the contract relax technique can get you looser much faster. So how does it work? In a nutshell, you contract a muscle for a few seconds, and as soon as you relax, you have a very brief instant where the muscle relaxes, which allows you to stretch it out much farther than normal. Here's how to use the contract relax method to stretch out your web space. So basically, you're like pressing and for a few seconds, and then as soon as you finish pressing, your muscles relax, and you put your fingers closer together, and that stretches out your web space. So how did that work? The key to this technique is to stretch out the web space immediately after you stop pressing your fingers together, because it's after the finger muscles stop contracting that you have a very brief window to get that super stretch. So yes, very important if you have any kind of thumb issues, stretching out your web space.